Hi everybody, today in front of me I have POCO F4 smartphone, and in today's video I would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings, or prior to actually showing you how you can do that, that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. Here you can either tap on this gear icon and go directly to the keyboard settings, or as I started, you can go to the general settings app. Here go for the additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, go for the preferences and turn on this number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the separate number row or separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.